Hello, in today's video lesson, I'll show you how to fix if this space isn't available right now. Make sure to watch till the end so you understand every step. The Access apps and notification on iOS and Android smartphones. Open the native settings. Scroll down and click on them. Then navigate to the app info section. Access Facebook storage and network settings by tapping on the app. Then navigate to mobile data and Wi-Fi. Disable background data. Go back and select storage and cache. The Facebook application's cache can be cleared by selecting Clear Data and Clear Cache in the menu, similar to reinstalling the app through the App Store. If the Facebook issue persists, ensure your account is active, as black users receive a message indicating the page is unavailable. To resolve the Facebook error, ensure that your account is not black. That's all for now, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.